Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another glorious garbage day. Oh, boy, the sun just keeps creeping up earlier and earlier every morning. Get the junk situated. In there fooling around drinking my coffee and peek out the window and it's like the sun's coming up. Uh-oh, time to go. I'll get the truck fired up. Turn the radio off. All right, yeah, already got the seatbelt on. Wear my gloves. Get everything situated here. Get ready to go find some scrap metal, put it in the back of the truck. Hopefully make a load of metal to the scrap yard today, make us a few dollars. Hopefully bring home some aluminum, some tidbits to process in the backyard. Add to the hoard, a little bit more money. Got to be getting on that pretty soon, actually. I'm starting to get a pretty good hoard of aluminum back there. Have to take that in and see what everything's paying. Hopefully prices are up. We'll see. Kind of noticed the past couple days that gas prices dropped a little bit, so I'm curious to see if tin shred drops today, if the price of tin shred's gone down. There's only one way to find out, so let's get started and let's go find some junk. Start my morning. Oh, mini fridge. I got plenty of room for a mini fridge. Something to start off with, and let's go see if I can add some more to it. More plastic. Oh yeah, that's what we want. For now. Something else. Let's see here. I'll take that. Really? Want that. Or that. Something like that. All right, down the road a little bit. Where does that brake at? I'm braking off there. Maybe. Come on. Give me the cord. Thank you. Oop. All right, more for me. Microwave. Put it there. I'm sure it'll move around. And let's go see what's next. Goodies. Oh boy. Whole bunch of bicycles. Oh, Scooby. Interesting. These are going to be a mess. Like that. Where's my little bungee cord? There we go. What else we got? Some tidbits. Old rototiller. Couple rototillers. Oh, got some cord action. Get my snippers. how long that stays. Oh, let me get moving. Something else. Ooh, is it aluminum? Maybe. Let me check it. No. Well, the sun is up. Maybe with a little help. I'll keep it there. All right, let's go see what's next. Got a pile of junk here. Ooh, I want a pile of junk. Okay. I'd like to stand these up if I can. Stay there. Gonna be long enough? Probably not. Let me move my rope. Something like that. Now it's a little bit more wood. Anything in the can? No. Stripped out vacuum cleaner. All right. Spot me vacuum cleaner and a scooter. the suitcase? Any goodies? No? Stay. No cord on the copier. It's alright, I got a spot for you. Something like that. Spot something. Better hails. Oh boy. Yep, somebody got a new bed. Let's see. I could probably slide this one in here. There, yeah, maybe. Oh, kids screaming. Something like that. Knot tying is not one of my skills. Something like that, maybe. Keep it under 100 miles an hour. Garbage men just saved me a grill. That's awful nice of them. One-wheel drill. I got a spot for a one-wheel drill. Gift boxes. All right, Christmas taken care of next year. That gonna stay there, all right? I think so. All right, now let me try to get ahead of the garbage man. What else? Bunk bed frames. I think I can squeeze it in here somewhere. actually slowly making my way to the scrap yard. So, see if I can find something else to put in the truck. Scrap yard. Oh boy. Ooh, there's a lot of automotive junk. Let's see here. If I can do this without taking an eyeball out. Trash. Really? I always forget to untie something. Back in there. And let's go get a ticket and see what the prices are at. On my way home, always taking the long way. And I got some bonus scrap. Ooh, an old refrigerator. I want an old refrigerator. refrigerator. I really don't want all that styrofoam though. Really? You thought that was a good idea, folks? Get that. I want it to blow away. Light one. Take the doors too. That one's aluminum. The others are just plastic. Good enough. All right, so actually back to the scrapyard. Hey, I got some aluminum today too, finally. I spot something else. What is that? Trolling motor? Huh. That's interesting. know somebody that might actually get some use out of that if it works. Put that up there. All right, well, make my way back to the scrap yard and see if we can find anything else to add to the fridge. Well, we're at the scrap yard. Go ahead and yank this thing out of here. Beautiful. All right, let's go see what a refrigerator's worth. All right, well, back at the homestead, and what's the ticket say? Well, that first load was 540 pounds of tin thread, and look, the price actually went up. You know, I was curious, gas prices dropped about 7 cents in the past 2 days, but scrap prices actually went up a half a cent, so 8 1/4 cents a pound. So what was that? 44.55 paid 44.75. And that refrigerator, what was that? 180 pounds. Put that in the light, huh? Yeah, 180 pounds. So at 8 1/4 cents, paid $14.85, paid me 15 bucks. So yeah, $15 for a fridge. That totals out at what, like $59.75 for the day. Hey, not bad. The only aluminum I got was that little bitty piece of aluminum off that refrigerator door, but hey, that's all right. I did get some cords. Oh, get me a drink of my pop. And I even hooked up this little trolling motor that I picked up, and would you believe it, it's got forward and reverse. All the speeds work, so that's cool. Looks like it could use a new clip on it, but that's all right. I'm sure my brother would love to have it. So a pretty good day, all in all. Some sunshine, fresh air, stay, and a pretty good day. Oh, I'll leave the hood up because I need to check the oil. So yeah, pretty good day. Yeah, $59.75. You know, anytime I make $50 or more, to me that's a gold star next to the calendar, because quite honestly, $50 pays for my entire week of going out scrapping. So, you know, I do that on one day, then everything else just goes straight into the coffee can. You know, even at $50, that pays for the fuel and still money to pay for my pops and a few dollars for the coffee can. And that's all I'm trying to do. Have some fun, make a few dollars, get out and do something. Definitely need to do it. Weather's beautiful, sun is shining, the birds are chirping. Had some rain the past few days, so it's nice to see some clear skies and sunshine. So I hope everybody else has a good day. So until next time.